Good morning students. In this video we have start a new topic and new topic is thyroid related disease. Thyroid related disease. And first disease is cretinism. Cretinism is a condition of severe physical and mental retardation due to iodine deficiency and hyposecretion of thyroxine. Hypothyroidism during pregnancy causes defective development and maturation of growing body, leading to the structural stunt growth, mental retardation, low intelligence, etc. Next is myxedema. Refers to severe form of hypothyroidism. Then that can occur when the condition is left untreated or not treated sufficiently. When thyroid hormones level become extremely low, a person may experience symptoms such as drowsiness, confusion, and hypothermia. And next is third disease is goiter. A goiter is enlarged in the thyroid gland. The degree of swelling and severity of symptoms produced by the goiter and depends upon the individual. And next disease is fourth disease Hashimoto. Hashimoto disease is an autoimmune disorder. That can cause hypothyroidism. In this disease, our immune system attack on thyroid and the thyroids become damaged and cannot make enough thyroid hormone. And hypothyroidism is the condition of more secretion of the thyroxine hormone which causes increased metabolic rate, increased heartbeat, and irritating behavior, sweating and shivering. And next is function of parathyroid hormone. Function of parathormone या parathyroid hormone. First, parathyroid gland control the amount of calcium ions. Second, PTH parathyroid hormones act on bones and stimulate the process of bone reabsorption. And pH is third function. PTH is hypercalcemic hormone. It increases the blood calcium level. And next, hyperparathyroidism. Hyperparathyroidism, a condition in which parathyroid gland produce too much PTH hormone. In this condition, calcium is removed from the bones and goes to the blood, and there increased absorption of the calcium from the intestine into the blood. and increased level of calcium in the blood and excess of calcium in the urine. The condition is called hypercalcemia. This is the more serious case. The result is fragile bone, and fragile bone cause of osteoporosis. And next, hypoparathyroidism. Hypoparathyroidism. Hypoparathyroidism of PTS in childhood cases. Decrease calcium level and increase phosphate level in blood. And next gland is thymus gland. The thymus is a two-lobed structure that is posterior in upper chest cavity. The thymus gland is situated above the pericardium of the heart and below the thyroid and behind the breastbone. And function of the thyroid gland: the thymus functions chiefly to develop T lymphocytes. These cells leave the thymus and are transported by blood vessels by the lymph node and spleen. T lymphocyte responsible for the cell-mediated immunity, which is an immune response that involves in the activation of certain immune cells to fight against infection. And next gland is pineal gland. It is a midbrain structure which is a part of epithalamus and lies between the thalamic bodies. White gland covered by a thin layer of pia mater. Weight is 150 milligram. It is developed from the embryonic ectoderm. Pineal gland secretes the melatonin hormone. The secretion of hormone is increased in the dark and in children who born blind, and the children is inhibited by the light. It is like a sexual biological clock and has an influence of sexual maturity. Sexual biological clock. And next, there are two kinds of tissues in this gland. First is pinealocytes and second neuroglial tissues. And next gland is pancreas. Pancreas is a mixed gland because it have the both characteristics exo and endocrine glands. Like a exocrine gland is secrete enzymes responsible for the digestion of the food, and endocrine is responsible for the secretion of hormone involve the energy metabolism of our body. 15 centimeter long pancreas and weighted 85 gram and situated behind the stomach. and C-shaped duodenum. The endocrine tissue situated in the gland and is known as isolates of Langerhans, discovered by Paul Langerhans in 1869. These islets of Langer have three kinds of cells: alpha cells, beta cells, and delta cells. Alpha cells 25% at the 25% of isolate tissue, and it discovered by Kimbland and secrete the glucagon hormone. Beta cells, the largest in size, about 60% of the tissues, secrete insulin hormone. Delta cells make up the 10% part tissue of the pancreas and secrete somatostatin hormone. Glucagon hormone is a catabolic hormone secreted by the alpha cells of the pancreas, and the glucagon hormone is responsible for the conversion of glycogen into the glucose. It also stimulates gluconeogenesis, and its main role is to maintain the blood glucose level. And insulin, secreted by the beta cells of isolate Langerhans, and it maintains the normal level after consumption of glucose-rich diet. It also promotes the storage of glucose in the form of glycogen, and it promotes the protein synthesis. It is responsible for BMR, basic metabolic rate, and somatostatin, delta cells, and this hormone decreases the secretion of both insulin and glucagon. And therefore fall the glucose level in the blood. And next is disease due to insulin hypothyroidism. This topic we have been start in the next video. Thanks. Have a nice day.